We built this car to survive the chaos, but somewhere in between the gas stations and the staging lanes, it became something bigger, a rolling story, a test of grit, a bond between two people chasing the same dream. To my co-pilot, Troy, thank you for every mile, every late night, every wrench turned, although there weren't many, thank goodness. Every moment that we thought, are we really doing this? We were, and we did. We set a goal, average in the 12s, and we nailed it. Through the heat, the rain, the exhaustion, this car delivered, and so did we. Drag Week wasn't just a race, it was a reset, a reminder why we build, why we push, why we dream. It changed us, and we're not done by any means. Thanks for riding with us. For every comment, every cheer, every moment, every time someone came to talk to us, it was incredible. Hopefully you can hear us. We're going to talk loud because we're near the very loud speaker, but we are at Maple Grove. We made it just fine. Yep. We did pick up a little bit of a weird vibration going on at the top end of the track, but we looked under it twice now, and we can't find anything. So
no, we ain't finding anything.
I don't know.
I told him not to worry about it until we have to.
Yeah.
And that'll probably be Friday when we break it.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So we tickled the tune a little bit. We put a little bit more wastegate duty cycle in second gear and a little bit third gear, and then we're just gonna hope we can get that first half of the track better, and that left everything else completely alone.
And do better than we did yesterday at 12.94.
Yeah, and the air is
definitely better right now.
Like my ass almost needs a jacket right now, so it's nice. Oh, is my
Is that normally loose?
yeah, it's usually kind of loose. Oh yeah, we're good. Everything's a little loose on this thing, you know. Well, it is true. But yeah, we're ready to go. They're running C group now, and then we'll be up. We're hoping we can run before the rain.
Yeah, definitely before rain. Rain is not our friend.
Yeah, we thought it was raining when we left to come here, so we thought for sure they weren't going to run, and then the skies turned into this gorgeousness. Yeah, so.
Beautiful track too. If you've never been here, it's a beautiful track.
Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. So.
Oh, and the one thing us dummies keep not realizing is the fact that a lot of the concession stands don't take cards, and we're retarded and don't bring cash with us.
Yeah, this was the second one in a row.
Yeah. So luckily they have an ATM here, so I was able to do that. But if you come to these tracks, bring cash.
Yeah, we're learning.
Yeah,
we're learning. Yeah.
Better than the last time we saw this just moments ago. Car sounds good. Burnout went cleanly. The smartest move he might have made all week long was pulling that thing back for an additional 2 minutes. Clearly there was something they found and tweaked on or plugged back in again, and it's working as it should. He told us he wants to go 6.0. He told us he wants to go 2:49.
Uh-oh.
Here comes the LS-powered Subaru Forester.
You know, the country's been very divided these days. I don't really like the way it's going, and this vehicle only reminds me of that
It
situation.
absolutely has continued to drive wedges between the best of friends.
I have split America down the middle.
Ray Prudnicki, the 1986 Monte Carlo, next to Chris Rollins in the silver Subaru Forester. 1277, 113.
Oh. Oh yeah, that feels better.
felt pretty good. Still got a little vibration, not as bad as yesterday though. Just at the top end of the racetrack, that didn't feel as bad. And that felt pretty quick. That felt pretty quick. Felt like it was better in the middle. Yeah, that felt really good overall. I don't know if, it didn't feel very fast on the, like leaving the line, but it kind of never does. So it always feels like it's a turd off the line, but I did try to foot brake it harder, but I felt the rear end kind of pick up like it was gonna start to push it. So I kind of backed off of that a little bit. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, we did a 12.7 at 113, so same mile an hour, but better ET. Hell yeah, that's what we were shooting for. It should have been the same mile an hour because we didn't really add any power. We didn't add any, we were just trying to get the ET better. Heck yeah, 12.7.
I don't love the Capri
Yes.
grill situation.
We are at the hotel, getting ready to head out for to Cecil for day 4.
Yeah, Cecil County Dragway,
Yep.
Rising Sun, Maryland.
Yeah. Hell yeah. It's friggin' dark as hell over here, but we're all absolutely jam loaded. Why is it so dark? Well, I mean, it's dark, but why make it brighter?
For the olds over there on the right, 1280, 115 for the Forester.
Here we are at the beginning of day 5. We made it this far. I kind of can't believe it.
No.
Kind of can't believe it. And all we got to do is make a pass today, and we finished drag week. It's pretty nuts.
Yeah. No, you don't have to make a patch. You have to break the beams.
Yeah, but I want to make a pass.
Yeah, but to officially complete drag week, we have to break the beams, and that's it.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, brother.
So hotel review was very good.
Yeah, amazing beds.
Amazing beds.
Shower did not have a hole in it.
Nope, no shower hole. So overall, very good.
We apologize for not doing more finishing our bathroom reviews, but we've been pretty tired.
Been a little tired.
Yeah.
This is it. The final day of Drag Week 2025. 700 miles behind us, 5 tracks, no major breakdowns, and we did it. We averaged 12s. That was the goal. What we got out of this week was so much more.